In this video, I'll show you how you can publish your Google Sheet to the web so that you can easily share it as a web page to others. So I built this live stock price watch list, and what I want to do is to be able to easily share this to others. If you're interested in learning how to build this type of live watch list, I've also included that video in the description below. So in order to publish this, all you need to do is go into File and then go to Share and then click Publish to Web. So once you've clicked that, you just need to select the tab that you want to publish. So in this case, I want to publish S&P 500 live watch list, and then it will generate a link here. Make sure you select what you want to publish this as. So I want to publish this as a web page, so I'll click on web page, and then it generates this URL for me. Once you've done that, click on publish, and then you should be all set. In my case, I've already clicked on publish beforehand, so it shows as published. So once you go to this URL, it looks something like this. So it's basically the same thing, but without the annoying kind of Google Sheet functionality. So it basically looks like a clean and neat web page. So then you can use this URL to easily share your Google Sheet to others. There you have it. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.